for today's video, we are in...
Wow.
Anyari?
Oh. Ha? Again.
Very nice, the best Dandan noodles in town. But it's very big serving.
Uy, mga taga-pulong buhangin.
Ang bayaw ko, nakita kong bayaw ko.
Mga taga-pulong buhangin.
2 dekada.
Ayan, tara, samahan niyo kami sa Takapuna nung Holy Week. Nung Good Friday, plano nga namin pumunta sa Putaruru sa Blue Spring. Ang problema, napaka-traffic sa motorway patungong south, sabi nila bayaw nanay. Kaya nag-decide na lang sila ate na dito lang kami sa Takapuna Beach. Malapit lang, 18 minutes lang sa Henderson. Tapos, ito nakita namin dahil bata, nag-enjoy sila. Tapos, ang maganda, libre pa ang park. Tapos, dinala kami nila ate sa masarap na kainan. Ayan, mamaya tingnan natin.
Thank you for the protection. Thank you for the blessings and for the guidance. Hope you enjoy this day, Lord. And thank you for everything.
Amen. Oh, dito po. Dito po. Oh. Hello, si Ate Erin.
Ba't walang ano?
It's pretty. Yeah, it's pretty. Poing, 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 poing. Oh. Huh? What's that? Again. Again, the sea. Oh, it's okay. It's okay, it's okay. Hello. Ayan, tapos kumain kami sa Baso Lounge, the best dandan noodles in town. Try nyo to mga kabayan, napakasarap at napakadaming serving. Sulit na sulit. Wala pang 5 minutes walk from Takapuna Beach, pwede kayong maglakad or mag-park sa harap.
Maganda ako sa camera mo, tito. Welcome to my vlog.
Thank you. Oh.
Sabit. Very nice, the best Dandan noodles in town. But it's very big serving. For 3 person.
Grabe, dami.
Look, oh.
Oh, gano'n. Thank you, Ace. Wow, grabe yan eh. Bye. Hold it. And then? What's your face? Okay, say bye-bye. Say bye-bye to the camera. Bye-bye. See you on next vlog. Thank you.